Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my channel. Here we do lifestyle kind of video. We do skincare, hair, makeup, fashion haul here and there, reviews and beauty tools. If this is the type of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join the family. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoy, and I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. Thank you, I appreciate you guys a bunch. So today's video is unboxing our October Boxycharm Premium. And if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscriptions that you have the base box and the premium box, the luxe box, the box pop-up, and there you go. And I'm gonna have the link in the description of this video for you. If you decide to give them a try, for $25 on the base box you get up to 125 worth of product and many different amazing brand, and the products can vary from makeup, skincare, and the biggest box comes with tools too, so it is fabulous. So I'm talking too much, let's get into this video so this video don't get so long. All right, so we have the little card here, and the theme for October Boxycharm Premium also is Spellbound. All right, and here they're telling you all the offers and that you have for this month box if you are one of the charmers. And in the back here you have all the product list, priced, and info on them. So let's dig into this box. I'm super excited. So the first product here, it is Benefit Cosmetic Georgia Golden Peach Blush. I am using today. I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on this blush. Well, I have on, so you guys can see it's very light, have very little pigment. It does have a beautiful sheen too, so I would see this more as a highlighter instead of a blush, because like in the little case here you actually see a little more color than you actually see on the skin, and I did pile up on it for getting this tiny little color that I got, so I would definitely use this more as a highlighter. And on my right side here I'm gonna add a little video of me try each one of the products so you guys can see how they perform. And this a Peachy Dream Come True Benefit Cult Favorite Georgia Golden Peach Blush is back and sweeter than ever. Georgia is a warm, vibrant peach shade with a soft golden shimmer. Smooth, superfine powder blends effortless to give you a chic, a fresh, piqued flush, and peachy-like sheen. It does smell good, smell like peachy. And it does come with a little brush. This beauty here retails for $30. So the next product here is going to be 111 Skin or 101 Skin, how you want to call. I don't know how they call. And this is an antioxidant energizing essence. It's a lightweight product, deliver fast acting antioxidant properties, well enrich the skin with NAC, Y2, and a blend of soothing botanical extract. Use direct after cleansing as a skincare primer and follow up with a regular 111 routine. The essence will provide immediate hydration, soothing, and revitalization for a refreshed and reinvigorates skin. This is amazing. This smells so good. When I opened a try, I was so looking forward to get this on this box, and I'm happy that I got. I love a good accent, a face mist, you know, I love it. It's one of my favorite things on my skincare routine. So yes, and this beauty here retails for a whoop of $100. This product number 2. And the next product here we have is Voyeur. I don't know if that's how you say that. Voy, I don't know. I'm gonna butcher this. Voy Hair Care Secret in the Snow. Soft styling foam, velvet softness, and in just a cool whip away, a blanket of downy soft snow for your hair shop. Voyeur Hair Care Secret is a snow soft styling foam. Is a daily key to crunch free hydrating goodness that hushes, fly away, and put your curls on repeat. Okay, whatever. This retails for $22. Alright, so big thumbs up for this. And there was our third product. Our fourth product here is going to be the brow pencil I am using today. Very amazing find. And this is a Vogue Brow. Yes, Rowan Beauty Vogue Brow pencil. Vogue Brow is the perfect brow pencil to easily define, fill, and shape any brow. Vogue Brow fine 1.7 millimeters tip and firm formula, ideal for both precise and natural looking brows. Use the build-in spoolie brush to blend and comb the brows. Comes in 3 shades and has been tested in different brow shape and skin tone. Rowan Beauty is made with a clean ingredient that does not compromise on the performance, and this beauty here retails for $26. I love the brow pencil, loved, big thumbs up. It's the first time that I try anything from Rowan. I don't know if that's the name of the brand, probably I'm butchering, but I love the brown pencil. And the next product here is gonna be the Tarte Manicure Plumping Gloss. Apply Tarte Manicure Plumping Gloss for visible, plumper looking lips. These nourish formulas smooth the lip and wrap them in a lasting hydration, color, and shine. Well, the Overlook Plump Complex works to visibly plump the lips with just one swap. And this lip gloss retails for $19. I'm using the top of my pencil, and this feels really nice. It does give you like a tiny thing when you apply, but it does give you a little volume. I love this shade, love it. The next product here is going to be Dewy of God's Filler Collagen Under Eye Pads. I use these and it feels so good on skin. Why inject when you can object? Do try under eye with a powerful bounce of hydrogel, collagen, vitamin C, which dazzle to plump, lift, and revitalize your look. It's like iced coffee for your soul. 30 minutes of bliss, each filler pad blessed by Zen Buddha, here's the mark, to inspire the power of gratitude. What are you thankful for? I'm thankful for have beautiful under eyes. Alright, and this feels really nice on the skin, and this beauty here retails for $20, which is a great price for 10 sets. Yes, and this was all for October Boxycharm Premium. I hope you guys enjoy the products, and thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like, and I see you guys next video.